I go harder than a mother trying to raise her kid in no relationship. Make that bid, best to ever do it is the way I live. Leaving all my haters absent, no kids, but I'm better than that, no whack ad-libs. Then I take a backseat when you screaming, I'ma give y'all hope, ain't nobody reaching. Like I told my folks, I'ma have it eating, on the jack feasting, driving good leasing, that's why I'm piecing. Haters throw shots, but I stay weaving, when they bout to head up like they need air, How you gonna tell me that my flow decent? I've been dying plenty, but there's room for many. I ain't a gambling man, but it sucks to bet me, cause I bet I win. 9 out of 10, it ain't even, homie, no 50-50, no sticking with me. Don't train me, if you take Helen back and you still won't get me. But life's a movie, so cameras film me when I'm touching lives. I touch the city, let the same way, then I make it change. Be the same way that they find a way. Just pain today, don't last tomorrow, so don't let your challenges pave your way,
When my back's against a wall, will I rise or will I fall? When the pressure's on, will I ever come through? Cause the odds may be against me, but I won't go down that easy. Just follow me and watch what I do. Believe that you can and you'll be halfway there. Believe that you'll find answers to every prayer. When my back's against a wall, will I rise or will I fall? When the pressure's on, will I ever come through? When the pressure's on, will I ever come through?
Am I not a man yet? What defines one if I'm not? 3 jobs and I can't stop, I got 1 shot to get hot. How's it feel when you're on top? I'm saving up for 1 watch. Pick up after my pops, demonstrate what I'm taught. Work for the life you want, work for the ones who can't. Mastermind, I got plans, building up a kingdom with my hands. Not for myself, but for my fams. I need your help if you do understand. The same way you need me to write y'all songs to help you through. Can I go wrong with what I do? It might take long, but damn the truth. So did you when it came to this. Are you not convinced? Money's not bad, it's who's it with. I'm not that type, but the type that quits. Not too fast, but I learn things quick. One which is, you got some gift, you got that dream, you might get rich.